Aloe vera with lemon, in this way and lose 10 kilos in a week and more. To lose weight, it is essential to have a balanced and healthy diet and, in addition, try to exercise on a daily basis. However, there are also some remedies that will help us lose weight in a simple way, as long as you take them as a complement to your diet. Aloe vera juice mixed with lemon. This remedy with aloe vera and lemon is very effective to lose weight, treat and prevent many diseases. This is because in both ingredients has powerful cleansing and detoxifying properties. Benefits and properties of aloe. The aloe vera, or also known in some countries as aloe vera, is a well-known for their moisturizing and reparative properties plant, which are especially useful for skin conditions such as burns, dryness. Aloe vera is effective for weight loss. Its benefits in nutrients provide properties that regulate blood sugar levels, providing a feeling of fullness, eliminates the colon cancer cells, constipation and more. Aloe also helps to accelerate our metabolism, which will increase our energy consumption and, therefore, we will lose weight more quickly in less than a week, 6 kilos. This plant is rich in a component called aloin, a substance with powerful depurative properties that will help us stimulate the movement of the intestine, which will eliminate more toxins and waste that are found in our body. Benefits and properties of lemon. This fruit, better known as lemon, also stands out for its citrus flavor. It is also a very effective food when it comes to making a diet to lose weight thanks to its properties. The lemon is satiating. This fruit has excellent satiating properties due to its soluble fiber content, so our appetite will be reduced when we use the lemon and aloe vera remedy. Lemon accelerates the digestive system without side effects. It has digestive properties that prevent some disorders that slow down the process of losing weight, such as inflamed and abdomen, gas, acidity or bad indigestion. Ingredients: a stalk of aloe vera peeled. The juice of 2 whole lemon. Form of preparation: take aloe vera penca, extract its glass and, with the help. When you have finished, wash the sheet thoroughly. Extract the pulp in a container. When you have extracted all the pulp, you should liquefy it until it forms a kind of juice. Add the juice of 2 lemons to the container where the aloe vera is and then beat it all with the help of a blender until it is diluted. When everything is well beaten, strain the mixture and you will have ready your aloe vera and lemon juice. Juice of aloe and lemonto. Lose weight. If you want to lose weight with this home remedy, it is recommended that you follow these recommendations. Eat this juice on an empty stomach, 1 hour before breakfast. This slimming remedy should be taken as a food supplement, so in no case can replace a meal. Consumption time of lemon juice with aloe vera. Taken for a limited time. Specifically, it is recommended to take it for 3 weeks and, if you want to continue losing weight, rest for another 3 weeks before going back. This article is informative. In love and trust, we have no power to prescribe any medical treatment or make any kind of diagnosis. For more health advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.